Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your shopping cart on the Amazon application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the home button down below, which is the first option. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the name of the product that you want to purchase. Tap on it. Scroll down. And now you should select the quantity. So tap on this box in the left side of the screen and select the amount that you want to purchase, and then tap on add to cart. So now it has been added to your cart, and if you want to check it out and finish the process of ordering, tap on the shopping cart icon down below, which is the third option. As you can see, there is only one item added to your shopping cart. So if you want to proceed to checkout, tap on this proceed to checkout button at the top. Now you need to add a new address. Fill in these forms such as full name, phone number, address, city, state, zip code. And after this information, you will need to select the method of payment, and then you will be able to finish the process of ordering. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.